Welcome to this evening yoga routine. This is a slow and steady practice to help you slow down and let go of the day. In this practice, you'll be needing some props, either a set of blocks or two cushions work just as well. When you're ready, we'll begin in a seated position. Bring your legs into a diamond shape. You decide how close or how far away you have your feet. Then rest the hands on the legs, or you could hold onto your ankles. And close your eyes. And without forcing the breath, just find your natural inhale and exhale. And give yourself these first few moments just to let everything else going on in your life fade into the background so that you can be fully present for this practice. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. And open your eyes. Extend the right leg and bring the left foot to the inside of the right thigh. If you need a little bit of support, you could place a block or a pillow underneath the left knee. Then rest your fingertips either side your leg. Take a deep breath in and lift your chest. Keep that length that you just created in the spine as you exhale and fold forward. Without forcing the pose, just be wherever you are and focus on your breath. Sit up. Lift the left knee and hug it into your chest. Then wrap the right arm around the leg. Place the left hand behind you for support and twist to your left. Sit up tall, keeping your head in line with your hips. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, roll the left shoulder back, turn the head to look to the left. Release your twist and extend the left leg. Then bend the right knee. Open it out to the side and bring the foot to the inside of the left thigh. If you need some support, place something underneath the right leg. Rest the hands either side your leg. Take a deep breath in, lengthening the spine. As you exhale, fold forward. Just going slowly into position, no need to force. Sit up, lift the right leg and bring it into your chest. And wrap the left arm around the leg, place the right hand behind you for support. Take a deep breath in and sit up tall. And as you breathe out, twist to the right, you can turn your head gaze over the right shoulder. Release the twist, turn to face forward and extend the right leg. Turn to face the side of your mat and open the legs into a straddle position. You can keep a little bend in the knees here if it makes it more accessible, but focus on keeping the feet flexed. Then you can make yourself a pillow mound or a support so that you can relax as you fold forward. Just focusing on your inhale and exhale here. Especially if this pose starts to really challenge you. Sit back up. Bend the knees, bring the feet together, and open the knees wide, coming back to that diamond shape. And this time you might like to bring the feet a little bit closer if the hips are feeling a little more warm. Hold onto the outsides of your feet and open the feet apart like pages of a book. Spreading the toes wide so the feet are active. Take a deep breath in, roll your shoulders back, open your chest. With your breath out, fold forward. Just relaxing the chin to the chest. Without forcing the pose, you can let gravity do the work here. Lift yourself back up. You can keep the legs as they are, but turn around and lie down on your back. If you'd like a little more support for the legs, you can place pillows or blocks underneath your knees. And as you lie down, try to remain still. keeping the focus on the body and the breath. Straighten your legs and relax your arms by your side to find Shavasana. If your lower back feels a little sensitive in Shavasana, you could try placing your blocks or your pillows underneath your knees so that the legs remain bent a little, and this may help. Deepen your breath. Then bring awareness back to your body. Move your fingers and toes. Hug your knees into your chest and give yourself one last hug. And then roll onto your side. And join me back in a seated position. Keep your eyes closed for now. Rest your hands on your knees and sit up tall. And we'll stay here in the stillness just for a few more moments so that you can really savor and fill your cup. Take a deep breath in. Exhale inside out. And open your eyes. Thank you for your time and energy. I hope that you enjoyed this practice. Take care, and I'll see you next time.